Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to download WhatsApp app and PC. So let's get started. At first we need to go to any browser and search for WhatsApp. Now we need to click on download WhatsApp. Now we can download from desktop Windows. Before that we need to turn on the cookies. After doing it, let's click on desktop Windows. Now click on open Microsoft Store. Now here's the app. We need to click on get. So now download has started. It can take few minutes to complete download. So we need to wait till the download completes. Now download has completed. Now you can simply tap on open here, and here we can see WhatsApp interface. So this is it. This is all what we need to do to download WhatsApp and PC. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.